The oath has been administered, Your Honor.
Thank you. Before proceeding to Mr. Diskaya, Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto is here, and we would want to be able to get a statement from him, particularly relating to the Diskayas, because he had made a statement last night on the matter relating to half-truths. No? So, Mayor Vico, do you have a statement, or are you ready to answer questions, please?
Mr. Chair, to the members of the TRICOM, magandang umaga po. I did not prepare any statement, but however I can help and whatever I can answer to the best of my knowledge, I'm here at your disposal, sir.
I think very important, Mayor Vico, to be able to state for the record. Of course, the Diskayas have been operating in Pasig City for the longest time. No? Do you have information as to how they had operated in the city as city contractors? And second, whether you had been able to monitor their rise as top contractors as far back as the Aquino administration to date?
Mr. Chair, pumasok po ako sa politika 2016 na po. I ran for councilor in 2016 and for mayor in 2019. Pagpasok ko sa politika, medyo kilala na po sila, mga Diskaya, lalo na yung construction firm nila na St. Gerard Construction. Na ito na nga po yung ginamit rin nila na para bang political party na rin, lalo na noong 2025 na halalan, itong nakaraang halalan. Marami pong kwento, hindi ko po alam kung ako po yung nararapat na magkwento po rito sa TRICOM, sapagkat yung iba, wala naman po akong personal knowledge. So I would like to, with respect to the committees, I would refrain from saying anything beyond my direct and personal knowledge. What I can say is that they have 9 construction firms that we have seen now in the news, the 9 calling card companies of the spouses Diskaya, where they have used dummies, where they have become huge contractors, and all of these 9 companies are based in Pasig. Mr. Diskaya has been recently convicted of 2 counts of again, with regard to the question of the chair, kahit nung mayor na ako, naungontrata pa rin sila sa LGU. Kasi pinapatupad po namin sa Pasig ay strict adherence to the law, which is open and public bidding. So pag nagko-qualify po sila mula 2019, hindi po namin hinaharangan, may mga project po sila sa City Government of Pasig. Hindi naman siguro kalakihan na project, pero meron po silang projects with the city, and we have